Okay, we are given that this point 12 negative 5 lies on the same no a line that connects to a certain angle theta. Okay, so let me draw this 12 negative 5 first. If I have here the Cartesian plane, this is the point 0 0, and of course you have somehow a circle here, the unit circle. And then this point 12 negative 5, so meaning 12, then negative 5 ang iyahang ko, no? So I'll just have it 12 here. I have negative 5 here. No, just a rough sketch. Then that is the point 12 negative 5, right? And somehow this actually connects to the terminal side of that angle theta. This angle theta could be this angle, okay? Or could be this thought of this angle nga nabilin da bali. Pareho lang na sila, no? The negative of that. So if more or less kanigi na siya nga angle ang ginaminya na nga theta. Okay, if we find that, then second na lang dayon kayo, no? We just simply complete this one. If this must be, let's complete this triangle. So if this must be 12 and this must be 5 or the negative 5, no? Pila man ning kuan bali, pila man ning hypotenuse? Well, from this 12 man, no? 12 ning a distance kanang a length. That's 12. This is 5. This must be pila man ni siya? Okay, so that must just be the hypotenuse there must just be, well, c squared is equal to a squared, the adjacent, 12 squared plus 5 squared. That's 144 plus 29. That's not 29 but 25. That will give us 169, and that will actually give you c squared of 169 is 13. So this must be 13 here, okay? So bale, daan ni karon sa imong kuan, if this is thought to be kani man ang pinakadali na din lantaw ni mga angle, no? This angle theta, or actually equivalent na gyapon sa angle na kana kini siya nga angle. Okay? But anyway, that's theta, and the opposite, if you find the trigonometric functions for that, no? Sine theta, of course, opposite over what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 5, but this is in the negative. That's y lang, no? A negative 5 over what? Over the hypotenuse 13. Okay, that's sine theta. Cosine theta will simply be, well, adjacent. That's 12 over 13, the hypotenuse. Tangent theta will simply be, well, that's opposite. That's 5 over adjacent. That's 12. Then the reciprocal of sine will simply be cosecant theta. Pag s gali nagsugod yung reciprocal kay dili s gasugod, so c. Ika na lang ang idea. So that will just be 13 over 5, or I just put the negative here. Lain mo pug sa denominator ibutang. Cosine will just be secant, no? Reciprocal of cosine is secant. It will just be 13 over 12. And then reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. That will just be 12 over 5. So kay imong angle, no, kay imong point terminal side kinaglayan man sa fourth quadrant, makita nimo nga ang cosine which involves x positive while the sine is negative and the cosecant of course. That's it. That's how simple things work.